Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Leg, and it's your boy Martins today with you as your host. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic, which is the coin market cap. Now, we'll be talking about the futures of how you can navigate the website or the hidden futures. We'll talk about the benefits, what you could use it for, and yeah, the uses. Now, this is important because the coin market cap gives a comprehensive detail of almost all crypto projects and a general overview of the crypto market. So this is important because it could come in as a handy tool for making investment or trading decisions. So yeah, this is a good one. So I urge you to watch till the end. Let's get started. Yeah, welcome back. Now, first of all, it's important you know I'm no financial advisor, and everything here is for informational and educational purposes only. So, having said that, we could dive right in. Now, a lot of people don't even know how much they can do with coin market cap. Now, this for people that have been using it, but are not maximizing what they can do with it. Now, as our usual style, I would not just jump into giving you the features. I would like to highlight various things you can do with the coin market cap. So I've highlighted a few. So let's look at them. Now, you can review, research, or compare crypto projects. You can track your watch list. So you can basically have like watch list. We'll look at that, your portfolio. You could learn like details like write ups on crypto concepts. You can discover new projects through their ICOs. You can stay informed. Now, it's important you get your information from verified sources because the internet is filled with lots of YouTubers like myself, and everything we say are just our opinions. So it's important you have a platform that you can trust the information you get. So yeah, there's a bunch of what you can do, and there's a lot more you can do with this platform. So to get started, just go to the website. I think I highlighted that. Uh, yeah. Okay. So we have this is the website. So you could start by just www.coinmarketcap.com. Now you can access the website as a non-member, or you can. I'm logged in already. You can just create an account just with your email. You can easily create an account there. Now, this is also available on Android and iOS, so you can download the mobile app. But this is the web. So yeah, so I'll be explaining with the web today. So first off, starting from the top left, you can already see. So CoinMarketCap is covering over 11,966 projects as of today. We have over 411 exchanges. This is the total market capitalization for the entire crypto market, approximately 1.2 just $2 trillion. Now the trading volume as of yesterday for the past 24 hours is 100, and so you can just check all of this, the dominance. So Bitcoin, from this market cap, Bitcoin has 42% of the dominance, Ethereum had 18% dominance, there's gas fee. So you can learn most of all of this at your spare time. Now you can select your language with it, the currency you want it in. You can change the interface. If this is too bright, you can make it dark. I prefer it bright. Uh, yeah. Here you can search for tokens. Here, this is my profile. I can look at my watch list, portfolio, all of that information. Then you have filters here. So you can filter cryptocurrencies based on their ranking mainly by market cap. So if you look at this now, Bitcoin, so the biggest market cap basically. Now to get what market cap is, there's an eye icon here, the total market value of a cryptocurrency, circulating supply. So basically the total market value or the market value by the circulating supply. So if you multiply this value of $45,000 by 18.821150 bitcoins in circulation, if you multiply that, you'll be getting this as the market cap. So that's simply what market cap is. Though there's more to this, than this market cap. So yeah, so you could do that. Uh, Recently added, you can look at the recently added project here, prices. So you can just go through all of this, top gainers, losers, all of that. Various exchanges, you can look at spots, derivatives, decentralized exchanges, where to buy NFT. So you can filter with all of this. Now watch list also, I can click on this here on things I'm watching. But to add things to your watch list, anything, this star, I can click on Bitcoin to add to my watch list. I can remove this. This was added. Cardano is on my watch list. So yeah, you can do all of this with a coin market cap. Now you can also products they have. So converter swap. You can now swap like your decentralized exchanges. You can swap also mobile applications. There's a lot that you can learn. So this is Alexandria was talking about. You can learn video learning where you can earn. So you can learn and earn. They have so something like this where you learn about NFTB and earn. So there's a lot that's going on here. Watch list for airdrops, all of that. You can do a lot, even diamonds, so activities. You can earn coin market cap rewards by completing various tasks on the coin market website. So yeah, so this is a bunch of what you can do just looking from a bed view, just an overview on just these filters here. Now, if we want to go further down for some specifics now, looking at, spoke about reviewing, research, comparing projects. So let's look at something like Solana, for instance. Also, here, there are more filters here. So you can go to DeFi, decentralized finance, NFT, play to earn. That's for games that you can play to earn. Polkadot ecosystem, the Binance Smart Chain equals Solana, Avalanche, and you can also customize based on what you want. So the filters you want, you can customize your filters. So you can check price. So basically, you can just customize based on what you want to filter, the metrics you want to filter, how your outlook would look like. So you can do that. So flexibility is here also. Uh, Spoke about the cycle 24 hours volume. You can customize all of this. So we're going to look at Solana, right? So I'm right clicking this Solana. Now, from this ranking, you can actually click on a project to expand and have a detailed view here on this, right? You can go back by just clicking on the logo. Now you can come here, it's ranked number 7. Now it even gives you the number of people that have this on their watch list. So you have over 580,000 people having this on their watch list. So this is a project you really, really need to look at. Now it gives you, so another thing that is very important is to prevent scam and all of this. Whenever I'm interested in a project, I always open the website through CoinMarketCap. So here, this is the official website. So I can go open this to have, so because anybody cloning websites, which happens a lot for smaller projects, you want to go through this. So you're accessing the original website. So their communities, so the Medium, Twitter, all of this. I always get it through this, the white paper, all of that. So it also gives you tags, Solana ecosystem on a lot of other things it does or tagged to. Yeah, you can look at the price. So for the past 24 hours, it's been high by 162, now low by 3. So you get all those informations. Now you see the market cap for this 42 billion, the fully diluted market cap, circulating supply, the maximum supply, total supply. You have all these informations here. You can also look at the chart in USD. Now this is one day chart, but I can look at all-time chart for this, and you can see how crazy this has gone. This is just April, yeah. Now see, started 2021 and it's gone crazy. So yeah, so you can have all this information here. Another interesting thing is by the side, there's a summary, like a price statistics, where you can zoom more and you have all time high, all time low. So from the all time high, all time low, it's gone about 28,000% in just a year. That's crazy, but awesome also. So yeah, you can also have details of the project, what it's about. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solutions. So you can go through this, who the founders are. So you have all this information on a project. Just coming to coin market cap. You can also either here check markets where you can buy them. So on Binance, you can get them, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, all of this, you can get all these informations here. There's a bunch of markets you can get this over. Wow, this is huge. There's 100 marketplaces and peers. So these are peers. So in Binance, you can see this in Solana against the USDT, Solana BUSD, Solana BTC. So also when you're buying, you see the peers also. So for beginners, I think someone who was used to this would know this. So you can see wallets it supports. So the Ledger, Tezos, Solets, all of this Trust Wallet. You can see the wallets that support Solana. You can look at it. You can get to read news, like I mentioned, all the news and what they do. So yeah, this is just looking at a project. So you can do a lot with this. I also advise you come to learn. So you can learn with Alexander to learn more things about, so learn about cryptocurrency, how to guides, tech deep dives, market. So there's a lot, blogs, vocabularies. You can learn all of this down here. Um, can learn with videos. So yeah. So watch list, portfolio. You can create a portfolio of things you follow. Then if you look at this, so you can also follow them on YouTube for their Tuesday tutorials where they explain more hidden features on CoinMarketCap. So you can follow them here where I currently follow them. So I learn a lot here also. So yeah, there's a lot you can learn from these guys. Here is just like an overview of what's trending, what's recent. You can navigate this and get all of this calendar of free airdrops. This is important also. You don't see airdrops, ICOs, initial coin offerings, calendar. Could look into that, free airdrops. Could look into that also. So we spoke about the earn. So earn, learn and earn cryptos. You can come here, learn and earn. So you watch videos, complete the quiz and earn cryptos. So easy. So there's a lot that's happened. So this is live. This is live for the SAN tool. Then CRU is live, but this is completed. This is completed also. So yeah, that's basically for the learn, earn. So for ICOs, you can see a list of ongoing airdrops, then upcoming airdrops. You can look at all of this, partake in them. So yeah, there's a whole lot you can do with CoinMarketCap. So yes, so this is it. So then something very important would be when learning is important, you learn most of these terminologies because if you are reviewing a project and you don't have a clear understanding of what market cap is, what the total supply implies, what the maximum supply, circulatory supply, fully diluted supply. All of this terminologies is important. You have clear understanding of what they are, what decentralized exchanges port through. All of this is important. You learn them. So when you watch videos of people explaining cryptos, it makes sense. When you also want to invest, you know how to invest. So, but we have a video explaining what the coin market cap is and things to be concerned about, so you don't make the wrong decision. So, yeah, that's about it for the coin market cap. So, yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thanks a bunch for watching.